everyone, it's Jennifer from DP Addiction Adventures, and I am coming to you with a post review. So I'm really excited. I finished this in just a couple days. As I said in the drill with me earlier, with the same photo, it was nice just to have a small yet fun diamond painting to do. So let's get down to business, okay? So this is my crystal tiger. Oh, I think he turned out beautiful, guys. The detail is really nice. The colors are fantastic. I love the shading. So I don't know where I'm going to put him, but he was a lot of fun to do. And so I just want to take you through a little bit of who this tiger is, how he came to be, and how he finished up. So before I get into the review, I do want to show that, well, I can get to this in a minute. All right, so I love my new sheets. I'm still waiting to see if I can post them. I don't have my own Facebook site, so I have to see where I can post these so you guys can use them too. And then all I do is I have this blank, and then I put the picture in down here and print it. So this is my diamond painting review sheet. And I know we went over the statistics of this little crystal tiger earlier, but many don't watch these back to back. So the design I named Crystal Tiger. It is a 35 by 30. It's not a custom. The drill type is special crystals. The coverage is full. I purchased it from AliExpress. The store was DiyPaly store. The price, $5.78 for this, guys, and it was so worth the money. It wasn't on sale, unless you call it like the normal AliExpress sale, you know, that's like 30 to 35% off all the time. I purchased it on 9/1. They shipped it on 9/3, and I received it on 9/13. So 10 days from shipping, 12 days from purchasing. I started it, oh, I forgot to write in when I started it. Completed it on Sunday the 14th. I believe I started it on Thursday night. So 14th, 13th, 12th, 11th. Don't want to forget that. So I started it on October 11th. I completed it on October 14th. And then the unboxing review, just to remind you, was 4 3/4 stars. So the canvas quality, we gave a 3/4 star. Drills, the quantity, packaging, number readable, 1 star. Shipping length time, tracking, packaging, did the canvas have a chance, 1 star. Advertising of the product, did I get what I ordered or what I wanted, 1 star. And overall impression, would I buy again, 1 star. So that was the unboxing, was 4 3/4 star. Sorry, it's something in my eyes, guys. So here's my post review, okay? So the canvas glue was pretty good. There were a couple spots that were that slippery area or wouldn't take the crystals. And you have to just take these crystals with a grain of salt. I mean, you're talking about 2 layers. So they're not going to be perfect. You're going to have that silver come off the bottom from time to time. It's just how it is. So it's not like Swarovski crystals. These are cheap plastic crystals. So with reflective, basically double-sided tape probably on the bottom to give you that color. So it was slippery. There weren't any rivers, any bubbles. So I gave it 3/4 star because sometimes I'd slip and like half the column would move. Just being honest. But that happens from time to time with all paintings, depending on, you know, what you have to understand is these paintings go through hot and cold and hot and cold temperatures over and over again to get to us. So I really don't fault the manufacturer if they've used like a quality product, and then just from time to time there's little spots because of temperature gauge and stuff that get affected. Symbol clarity. This one, what I really liked about it is the symbols were like 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. A, C, D, E, H, J, K, P, and I could tell all the symbols. The only one is this dark blue, number 4. You can't, I mean, you can tell there's a 4 in there, but they should have changed it to white. But you knew it was dark blue, so you knew it was the 4. So in essence, you knew what it was, so you didn't have to see the 4 in the middle. And it was only the eyes. So literally, I believe it was 2, 4, 6, 8, 10, 20 drills. Okay. Drill quantity. Okay, so we talked about quality a little bit. There were a couple that the backs were off of, or let me see. I don't think I kept my trash. There's probably maybe 10 or 20 total. Where the top had come off, but they had given me enough. I mean, look at this. Every single color. There's plenty left that I can pick and choose what I wanted. So like every single color. Now I worked out of these containers, but I've already kitted up another kit, so these were my extras I put in little baggies for you to see. So I gave it a full star because I didn't run out. I was able to pick and choose. Excuse me. And then design success. Well, you tell me, what kind of star would you give this? I gave it a full star. I think it's fabulous. I mean, even in person, you definitely can tell it's a tiger, and they did a great job with the shading. There's like 3 or 4 different browns and oranges to kind of make up his shading. So I gave a full star. And then experience, I had a lot of fun doing this. It had a clear cover. I'm not a huge fan of the clear cover when I'm doing it. I understand the clear cover means something special or different about the glue, so I don't mind it. But it was a little bit difficult to work with as far as that's concerned. But I still gave it a full star. So all in all, the post review is 4 3/4 stars. So the total review is 4 3/4 star because you add the 2 together and divide by 2 for an average. So I just wanted to give you that post review. I wanted to show you how it turned out. I will link the store at the bottom of where I got this. I'll also put a little eye right here if you want to see the unboxing. And there's also a drill with me, so just look for this tiger on my page. Yeah, and yeah, I am so excited. Thank you for being part of my family. Special announcement, we are over 250 subscribers, and I know that has a lot to do with some of my fellow diamond painting community members giving me a shout out, and I just want to give you a special thank you from the bottom of my heart. This is an amazing community, and I can't wait to get to know each and every one of you and go explore your channels and explore your Facebook post and just see how much fun you are having with this diamond painting experience. So until next time, you guys just be blessed. Have an amazing weekend. I am not going to be posting many videos. I'm going out of town for a while, but I will be back. But I have plenty of videos for you guys to check out, and I can't wait to see you soon. Take care. Be blessed.